Come on.
Hey guys, it's Emmy, and for the longest time I've been wanting to make more videos for you guys. So this is the board, pretty beat up to be honest, bits peeling away. I'm gonna have to sand it down first, get rid of all this grip tape. In fact, I don't have any grip tape, I'm gonna have to order some. And then we're gonna get the design, put a stencil or just draw it on, I'm not sure yet, depends how detailed it is. And then yeah, get painting, let's go. See you later. See you later. Good place to start. Legit don't know anything about paint. I've never painted my house or anything like that, so.
All gone. Probably all the cheap gloves are gone as well.
Yeah.
How are you going to do your painting?
Confirmation for this?
You got all the flowers, which is nothing that you actually needed.
So, unfortunately I got ID'd at B&Q and they didn't let me buy the paint stripper or the paint stripping tool. So what we're going to try first is we've got this heat gun and hopefully that will kind of melt away the paint and it should come off pretty easily. Cool. So we got all the paint off, obviously. I'm gonna try get the grip tape off as well while it's still hot. I'm just gonna try and get it off on one. Before I can do anything else, I've got to sand the board because it's looking a little bit of a mess at the moment. I'm going to head outside, get sanding, and let's see if we can save this thing. I was going to try and save this end bit of the board. It's just so slanted in an angle and all of these bits are just completely broken off. What I'm going to do is change the shape a little bit and I'm going to slice off the end. Oh, cool. So finished sanding. It's not completely even, so I'm going to have to sand it a little bit more.
There's a little bit off.
Yeah, it's just
It goes a little bit up
tiny
that way.
bit off, but
you can sand that down
I'm going to sand
shape it a bit.
Yeah.
Like if you do the corners, like here,
Yeah.
then that'd be fine.
Oh, cool. So first step of sanding is done. Finished with the thicker grain paper. So all that's left to do is continue sanding with the finer paper, but the camera's out of battery, so I'm gonna have a quick break and let it charge. So the break went on for a little longer than expected, but it's a new day and I'm gonna get finished sanding this board. Let's do this. So sunny again. Just finished sanding the board, gonna do a little bit more of the finer sanding and then we're done. Before that I thought an Instagram live stream on @SmileGirl to get some suggestions, get some ideas of what I'm gonna paint on this thing. few suggestions for what to design on my skateboard from the live stream. I'm actually going to sketch up a couple on my iPad first. I'll share those with you on socials and then you guys can put it to a vote. So yeah, let's get drawing. Exciting package arrived today. Grip tape's arrived, so as soon as I'm done painting I can get grip taping the board and then we're done. So I've got a kind of gradient going and I'm going to do some actual painted illustrations over the top of that with acrylic paints. I'm going to let it dry now and then we're going to think about painting the other side, although I quite like the red. Paint's all dried, we're going to paint the other side as well, so I was actually thinking about doing it in like a dark blue so it kind of shows through the grip tape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have the dark blue layer, have the grip tape on top and then cut out my design into the grip tape. I've got a bit of time now whilst the paint dries, so we're going to go for a skate whilst the weather is still gorgeous, and then I'm going to get back, pencil the intricate designs on, and then I can get painting. So today's painting day. I've got such awesome light to paint in today. Really good day today, I want to be out. Got the design all drawn up on my iPad already. I just need to pencil it in first and then we can paint over the lines and paint. Well, you'll see. So this is the drawing. I actually mocked it up on Procreate first just to get an idea, try out with different colours. So I've got the orange bits on for this one, which is actually the final design that I'm going to use. And yeah, that's the one I'm going to use. That's what's going on now. The paint's not really like thick enough or strong enough to go over the blue, so I'm going to have to probably do a white coat first, see how that goes. Just found this pen that I got in Japan. It's like a paint marker. I'm not sure if it's actual paint or if it's ink, but it does seem to be drawing to the board and leaving a nice white finish. So I'm going to let it dry and see how it comes out, if it's still wet or if it actually does dry onto the board properly. If it does, I'm going to end up using this and then just paint over the orange bits over the white. Outside lines are done, and now I'm just going to use this as a reference. Where the orange bits are, I'm just going to fill them in with the white pen so I can go over them with orange afterwards. Happy with how things are looking so far. I'm going to get some sleep and then have another look at it in the morning.
Many hours later.
I might have slept in, but Marcus got some cool shots of the board this morning as the sun was rising. I grip tape the board, I'm just going to quickly give it a spray of this clear top coat, and that should seal all the paint in, and then yeah, ready to put the grip tape on. All sprayed, the stuff really stinks, so I'm glad to be out of the garden. I'm going to put the grip tape on now and just need to cut out the shapes, and then we're good to go. Really happy with how this has turned out. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical at first. This board was really beaten up when we started, and we turned it into something really cool. If you'd like a chance to win this board, don't forget to leave a comment below and support me on Patreon if you want to see more behind the scenes. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got lots of cool content coming for you guys weekly on Tuesdays. But until then, peace.